Hello. At this video I want to share Mistel BAROCCO MD770 RGB wired plus wireless Bluetooth TKL split mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX brown switch. About this, a lighter mechanical switch with subtle tactile and audible feedback. A good blend of typing and gaming, the switches are widely considered to be the best middle ground switch. It is ideal for typing in an office environment. Lean and mean new slim, lightweight design. The 75% layout 85 keys design PC keyboard with only 34.5 mm tall. The split ergonomic keyboard lets you keep your wrists at a neutral angle, decreasing pressure and strain over time. OEM profile DoubleShot PBT keycaps allow your keyboard to shine brighter with built-in RGB LED backlit lighting modes, or you can set up customized lighting based on your interests. Each keycap is created using their special two-shot molding process, ensuring more durability, more stability, and legends that won't fade. You can get best price and discount for this item from link in description. Thanks for watching.